Mason, did you like your spaghetti? Mason, can you clap? Yay, Mason! Yay, Mason! Yay! Oh, good clapping. Clap, clap, clap. What do you want more of?
Cherries.
How do you ask?
Please.
Did you like the cherries the best? How about you, Isaac? What was your favorite part of lunch?
The sandwich.
Yeah. Hey, Isaac, what did you earn at Taekwondo last night?
My red tip.
Yep, and what do you get tonight?
Boosters.
Yay, Isaac!
And Grandma.
And what?
I watched Lego Movie. It was fun.
It was fun.
And Dad, Owen turned around and looked at me for a minute when he wasn't supposed to, and he said, "I think."